Maru na marioga ya Ataancheiri kianakada amuna abanyanyimbo b'omu Nyamira nigo kianariri amarua mabe y'echiringi milioni 15 nemo asomonia basi abone bali batoka enseme iyo nigo bono batoka enseme ya township ime y'ebunge ya West Mugirango ime ye county iyo
agati y'ebibuyo Bw'Amarwa byabwatwa nigo byaringe no muri okebs na abakonya asobonge nigo babwate LSS.
It's a big day for us in terms of our compliance exercise, in line with the directives that were given to us by the Cabinet Secretary, the 100 days RRI. As you can see behind me, we have netted a number of brands of alcohol, most of which we suspect are contraband. We've also been able to establish through the various agencies that some of the KRA stamps being used here are fake, and in some cases where the stamps are genuine, the content and the brand does not match what is registered under that stamp. We have netted approximately goods worth 16 million. The investigations are ongoing. The owner of the property and the owner of the merchandise here is being followed. We've been able to identify where the person is, and as the investigation go on, we'll extend this to her other establishments which are in town to make sure that this illicit contrabanded alcohol is taken away from the wananchi, because as you know very well, some of these drinks will cause deadly harm. I'd like to appeal to the public that if you know of anyone who's selling similar products, please get in touch with us. As Nakada, we have a toll-free number, 1192. It will be treated confidentially, and we will act. We have a team on the prowl that is close by, and we can deploy within less than an hour when we get the information. Thank you. Thank you very much. We've noted that from the boxes here, some of these manufacturers are not licensed. As soon as we're able to identify the names of the manufacturers, as I speak to you now, there's a team that has visited 3 of the manufacturers.